Today we are covering question and answers for Cisco DEVCOR 350901, developing applications using Cisco core platforms and APIs DEVCOR. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, go to the playlist link provided in the description. The question is, which action enhances end-user privacy when an application is built that collects and processes the location data from devices? The options are option A, paper the MAC address for each device. Option B, sort the MAC address for each device. Option C, implement an algorithmic information theoretic loss to the MAC address for each device. Option D, use the network device serial number to encrypt the MAC address for each device. The correct answer is option C. Our next question is, refer to the exhibit. Please have a look at the given exhibit. Which of the following options will fill in the blanks? Please have a look at the options. These are option A, B and C. This is option D. Which of the following options are correct? Option A, option B, option C or option D? The correct answer is option B. Our next question is drag drop. A developer must containerize a Python application to integrate into a pre-built CD environment by creating a Docker image. It will be hosted as a web application to enable end users from accessing it remotely. Drag and drop the code from the bottom onto the box where the code is missing in the Docker file. Not all options are used. Please have a look. Now, look at the answer. The next question is drag drop. Drag and drop the code from the bottom onto the box where the code is missing in the Python code to query the user permissions while mitigating against SQL injections. Not all options to be used. Please have a look at the given code. Now, look at the answers. The question is, which approach is used to protect east-west API traffic? The options are use encryption between service. Option B, install a perimeter firewall. Option C, use a dedicated cloud connection service. Option D, implement an API gateway. This is the test question. All you need to do is to answer it in the comment. Our next question is, a developer creates an application for a Cisco Catalyst 9000 switch in a Docker container. Which action must be taken to host the application on the switch? The options are option A, copy the application code to the netcon file and upload the file to the switch. Option B, connect the switch to Cisco DNA Center and put the application through the platform. Option C, use the Cisco IOX client tool to export the application on the zip file and push the file to the switch. Option D, export the application as the tar file and import the file to the switch. The correct answer is option D. Our question is, two Elasticsearch database servers use bidirectional asynchronous data replication. Both servers accept writes from clients. The design must meet the requirement. The cluster must survive if the fault occurs that causes the network connection to go down between nodes. The data must remain consistent if communication between nodes fails. The data must be spread evenly across all nodes in the cluster. Which design approach must be used to meet the requirement? The options are option A, set the initial voting configuration to force a specific node as the master. Option B, scale the master nodes down to a single node. Option C, set the minimum master nodes to 2 in the configuration. Option D, add a third cluster node to provide majority votes. The correct answer is option C.